Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going over relative minima and maxima. So this one, we're given the original, and then we're asked for what value of x does f have a relative minimum? Okay, so in this question we're going to be taking both the first derivative and the second derivative, and we're going to be comparing the two. Okay, so first order of business. Let's type this in here. Into decimals. Oh. Or not. Or we'll manually type it. Manually. Okay. X cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. Okay. We're going to take the first derivative. Okay? Simple. This is going to be light work. 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. Okay. That was really quick. Good job. Okay, now we're going to set it equal to 0, my bad, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to take use the quadratic formula, okay? This is light work. Negative x equals negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4a c all over 2a. Now, first thing we get is 2. Then, we get negative 2 over 3. Now, we're going to take the second derivative. So, this is our first derivative. Up here, we're going to take the derivative again. We're going to bring the 2 down. 6x minus 4. Okay? Now, we're going to evaluate f double prime of x at each critical point. At x equals 2, we're given 8. 8 is greater than 0, so we know that's concave up. That's a relative minimum. Now let's type in negative 2 thirds. That's negative 8. Negative 8 is less than 0. Concave down, relative maximum. So, where does the relative minimum occur? Well, it occurs at x equals 2, because since it's concave up, it's a relative minimum. So that's what we get. Next question. Let g be a polynomial function and let g prime, its derivative, be defined as g prime x equals x squared times x minus 1 times x plus 3. At how many points does the graph of g have a relative maximum? Choose one answer. None, 1, 2, or 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to first get rid of everything over here and plug in x squared, x minus 1, x plus 3. Oops, that is a mistake. Okay. So we're going to find the critical points, which would be 0, 1, and negative 3. Those are our critical points, okay? So we're going to go analyze the sign of g prime x. The interval is negative infinity to 3, negative 3 to 0, 0 to 1, and 1 to infinity. So we're going to choose test points, and basically, we're just going to type in, okay, like negative 4 squared, and 4 minus 1. Wait, hold on, I can just do it at the top. Okay, negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, that's 0, so, oh, my bad, you type in negative 4, and 4, you will get a positive number, and for the next one, next range, move to this, negative 4, that's negative, and then like another one, between 0 and 1, that's 1/2, so